Not quite. Being diagnosed with diabetes can be a life-changing event. It affects how your body uses sugar for energy. Managing it often involves a new way of eating. This can feel overwhelming. You might worry about giving up your favorite foods. Don't worry. A diabetic diet isn't about deprivation. It's about making healthy and tasty choices. Many people think a diabetic diet means bland and boring meals. This couldn't be further from the truth. With a little creativity, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals while managing your blood sugar levels. This essay will explore some tasty recipes and tips to make your diabetic journey enjoyable. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. It's especially crucial for people with diabetes to kickstart their metabolism and manage blood sugar levels. Rolled oats, 1/2 cup. Rolled oats are a fantastic source of whole grains and provide a hearty base for our breakfast. Berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1/2 cup. These vibrant berries not only add a burst of colour, but are packed with antioxidants and vitamins. Milk, skimmed or almond, 1 cup. Choose your preferred milk. Both options offer a creamy texture and essential nutrients like calcium and vitamin D. Chopped walnuts, 1 tablespoon. Walnuts add a delightful crunch and are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Cinnamon, a pinch. This spice not only enhances the flavour, but also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help regulate blood sugar levels. 1. Combine oats, milk and cinnamon in a saucepan. Start by mixing these ingredients in a medium-sized saucepan to ensure even cooking. 1. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the oats are cooked and creamy. This should take about 5-7 minutes. Stirring helps to prevent the oats from sticking to the bottom of the pan and ensures a smooth, creamy texture. 1. Top with fresh berries and chopped walnuts. Once the oats are cooked, transfer them to a bowl and generously top with the fresh berries and chopped walnuts for added flavour and nutrition. Oats are a complex carbohydrate. They break down slowly, preventing blood sugar spikes. Berries are low in sugar and high in fibre, further aiding in blood sugar control. This combination makes for a balanced breakfast that keeps you full and energised throughout the morning. Enjoy your Berry Good Morning Oatmeal, a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Lunchtime delights, fueling your day the right way. Lunch provides the energy you need to power through the rest of the day. Choosing the right foods can help keep your blood sugar stable and prevent that dreaded afternoon slump. Zesty chicken salad wrap. A delicious and healthy option for lunch or dinner. Perfect for those looking to maintain a balanced diet without sacrificing flavour. Ingredients: cooked chicken breast, 1/2 cup shredded. Chicken breast is a great source of lean protein, which helps in muscle repair and keeps you feeling full longer. Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons. Greek yogurt is not only creamy and delicious, but also packed with probiotics and protein, making it a healthier alternative to mayonnaise. Celery, 1 stalk, finely chopped. Celery adds a refreshing crunch and is low in calories, making it a perfect addition to this wrap. Red onion, 1/4 cup, finely chopped. Whole wheat tortilla, 1. Lettuce, 2 leaves. Red onion provides a mild, sweet flavour and is rich in antioxidants. Whole wheat tortillas are a healthier choice compared to regular tortillas, offering more fibre and nutrients. Lettuce adds a crisp texture and is low in calories. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, combine shredded chicken, Greek yogurt, celery and red onion. Mix well until all ingredients are evenly coated. 2. Season with salt, pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a zesty tang that brightens up the flavours of the salad. 3. Lay the tortilla flat, add lettuce leaves and top with the chicken salad. Make sure to spread the salad evenly for a balanced bite in every mouthful. 4. Wrap tightly and cut in half. This makes it easier to eat and perfect for on-the-go meals. Why it's diabetes-friendly. Chicken is a lean protein source, and Greek yogurt provides a healthy alternative to mayonnaise. Lean proteins help in managing blood sugar levels and keep you satiated. Whole wheat tortillas offer complex carbohydrates and fibre, contributing to stable blood sugar levels. The fibre in whole wheat tortillas helps in slowing down the absorption of sugar, making it a great choice for those managing diabetes. This zesty chicken salad wrap is not only nutritious, but also incredibly tasty. It's a perfect meal for anyone looking to enjoy a healthy, balanced diet without compromising on flavor. Enjoy it as a quick lunch, a light dinner, or even a snack. The combination of lean protein, healthy fats, and fiber makes it a well-rounded meal that supports overall health and well-being. So next time you're looking for a quick and healthy meal option, give this zesty chicken salad wrap a try. It's easy to make, delicious, and packed with nutrients that your body will thank you for. Happy cooking! Dinner time doesn't have to be dreary, diabetic-friendly dinners. Dinner is a time to unwind and enjoy a delicious meal with family or friends. Even with diabetes, you can have a satisfying and flavorful dinner that won't spike your blood sugar. Hash salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon fillet, 4 ounces. Start by selecting a fresh, high-quality salmon fillet. Look for a vibrant pink color and a firm texture. This will ensure the best flavor and nutritional value. Broccoli, 1 cup, chopped. Broccoli is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Chop it into bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Carrots, 1 cup, chopped. Carrots add a touch of sweetness and a vibrant color to the dish. They are also rich in beta-carotene, which is great for your vision and immune system. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Olive oil is a healthy fat that enhances the flavor of the vegetables and helps them roast to perfection. Use extra virgin olive oil for the best results. Salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing out the natural flavors of the ingredients. Adjust the amount of salt and pepper according to your preference. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This high temperature will help the salmon cook quickly and the vegetables to caramelize, enhancing their natural sweetness. 2. Toss broccoli and carrots with olive oil, salt and pepper. Make sure each piece is evenly coated to ensure even roasting and maximum flavor. 3. Spread the vegetables on a baking sheet and place the salmon fillet alongside. This allows the flavors to meld together as they cook. 4. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked and the vegetables are tender. The salmon should flake easily with a fork, and the vegetables should be slightly caramelized and tender. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have numerous health benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity. These healthy fats are essential for brain health and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli and carrots are low in carbohydrates and high in fiber. Fiber is crucial for digestive health and can help you feel full longer, making this dish a great option for a balanced meal. Garnish with fresh herbs like parsley or dill for an added burst of flavor and a touch of elegance. Serve immediately and enjoy this nutritious and delicious meal. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a special occasion. It's simple to prepare, yet impressive enough to serve to guests. Plus, it's packed with nutrients that support overall health and well-being. Enjoy the delightful combination of flavors and the health benefits that come with every bite. Salmon with roasted vegetables is a dish that nourishes both the body and the soul. Sweet success, making healthy choices. Fun and flavorful. Managing diabetes doesn't mean giving up on sweet treats altogether. There are plenty of ways to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Experiment with sugar-free alternatives, such as stevia or erythritol. These sweeteners can be used in baking and cooking to create delicious desserts that won't spike your blood sugar. Spice up your life. Tips for tasty diabetic meals. Experiment with herbs and spices. Herbs and spices add flavor without adding sugar or salt. Choose lean protein sources. Chicken, fish, beans and lentils are excellent options. Embrace whole grains. Opt for brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread and pasta. Load up on non-starchy vegetables. Fill half your plate with colorful vegetables. Choose healthy fats. Avocado, nuts and olive oil are good sources of unsaturated fats. Listen to your body. Finding what works best for you. Everyone's body is different. What works for one person with diabetes may not work for another. Pay attention to how your body responds to different foods. Keep a food diary to track your meals and blood sugar levels. This will help you identify any trigger foods and adjust your diet accordingly. Enjoy the journey. You can do this. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Don't be afraid to ask for support from your healthcare team, a registered dietitian, or a certified diabetes educator. With the right information, support, and a positive attitude, you can live a long, healthy, and delicious life with diabetes.